Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In today's video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walgreens this week. The Walgreens ad started Sunday, January 17th. After all is said and done, I got all of these items for free and made over $2 buying it all. I'm also going to provide you with a scenario for using the booster that I got. Hopefully you got it as well. The spend $20, get $5 back in Walgreens Cash. Double check your coupons in the Walgreens app to see if you got it. If you did, I can show you a way to use that and make your complete transaction a moneymaker. So I did that as a buy online, pick up in store deal. And when I went into the store to grab my order, I noticed there were so many things on clearance. Hopefully your Walgreens has some of the same deals that my Walgreens did. There were so many items on clearance, some as much as 90% off. And I'm not just talking about holiday items. This was throughout the store. I ended up creating a video dedicated to Walgreens clearance this week. So if you haven't had a chance to check out that video that I posted yesterday, I will post a direct link to that video in the description box below. You definitely want to check that out. There are so many awesome deals going on at Walgreens this week. Last thing before I get into the deals, I want to thank you all for your continued support. As promised, I am doing a giveaway. So the giveaway starts today. You will enter the giveaway by 1, subscribing to the channel, and 2, make sure you drop a comment on this video below. You will have 1 week to enter the giveaway. I will announce the winner in my Walgreens video next week. The prize is a $10 gift card to either Target or Walmart. I'm going to let the winner choose which store they prefer. All the details of the giveaway can be found in the video description box below, but don't forget to enter and to win. I will announce the winner in my Walgreens video next week, and the winner will have 48 hours to claim their prize. All right, so let's jump into these deals. The first deal that I did, and I am hoping this deal is still out there if you haven't done it yet. Since I've done it, the offer has disappeared for me. It is on the Purex laundry detergent. This Purex is priced at $1.99 this week, and checkout 51 was giving $2 back. The reason I say I hope it's still there is because I did this actually a few days ago. And so it was $1.99. I got $2 back on checkout 51, making it free and a 1-cent moneymaker. But once I claimed that offer, it went away and it came back as buy 2, get $3.50 back, but it was just on the larger bottles. So check your checkout 51 app and see if you have the $2 back when you buy any Purex laundry detergent. It would make this completely free this week. Another deal that I saw when I went into the store was on this Gillette Sensitive Cool shaving gel. These were on clearance at my store, okay? They are priced at $2.19 each on clearance. So the deal though for the week, even on the non-clearance items, is buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens Cash back. I was curious if that was going to work on the clearance items, so I gave it a try. One was priced at $2.19. The other one rang up at $1.09. So I paid $3.28 for these, and you better believe I got $4 in Walgreens Cash back, making it free and a 72-cent moneymaker. So if you can find this Sensitive Cool at your store on clearance, go ahead and grab it because it might be a moneymaker for you. Another great deal is on the razors. They are also buy 1, get 1 50% off, buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens Cash back. I had some digital coupons that I was working with, which made these an awesome deal. The first one I grabbed was this Gillette Venus Tropical Razor. This is priced at $9.29, but I had a $4 off coupon, digital coupon clipped to my card. Then I grabbed this men's Gillette Sensor 3. This one was originally priced just over $8, but since it rang up half price, it's $4.14 because you buy one, you get the lesser expensive one at half price. So $4.14, I had a $4 off digital coupon for this one as well. So the total I paid for both of these after coupons was $5.43. I got $4 in Walgreens Cash back, making these $1.43 for both of them, or just 71 cents each. So the reason I'm showing you that is because you can include any of these deals in your spend 20, get 5 scenario that you work out for yourself. Mine is over here, the one I did specifically for the spend 20, get 5. I will give you the breakdown of that here in just a moment. But really, you can mix and match and do this however you want, whatever works out best for you and the products that you need the most. All right, so another clearance item that I found was this little callus shaver. This was priced at 90% off, and there were a lot of the Walgreens beauty tools priced at 90% off in my store. So this was only 80 cents. So I grabbed one of those. This is another deal that anyone can do this week, and it's a pretty fantastic deal. These L'Oreal Elvive or Elvive shampoo and conditioners are priced at $3.99 each. So I bought a shampoo and a conditioner for $7.98 total. Now, I had a couple different coupons. I had a manufacturer's coupon for $4 off too, that I had clipped to my card. I also had a Walgreens coupon for $1 off on each of them. So my total came to $1.98 for both of them, or just 99 cents each. Again, this is a great item to include in that spend 20, get 5 booster. Okay, the next items that I grabbed were these Revlon lipsticks. So again, I saw these at my store marked on clearance for 90% off. These lipsticks were $1 each. But I noticed that the Revlon and Almay Cosmetics were on special this week for buy 2, get a $3 register reward. Again, I was curious, if I buy these, will the register reward print? And sure enough, it did, but they are also buy one, get one half off. So I bought one of these. This is the Glistening Purple Shine Revlon lipstick. I bought one for $1. The second one rang at 50 cents. I paid $1.50 and I got $3 in register rewards back, making it a $1.50 moneymaker. Now I did it again with different lipstick. This was the Siren color lipstick, and these were priced at, let me look at my cheat sheet here. These were priced at $1.09 each. So one rang $1.09, one rang 54 cents. I paid $1.63, and again, I got that $3 register reward back, making it free and $1.37 moneymaker. So great deal on clearance. If you can find clearance Revlon at your store, definitely give it a try. Another great deal that I grabbed this week was based on a Catalina coupon that printed out last week for me. Now, a Catalina coupon is just those coupons that print out at the register. So it printed out and it said $5 off any personal care purchase. I've never seen a coupon like that before. I didn't know what products qualified. There was a picture of some P&G products, so I figured it maybe only attached to P&G products. I asked the manager, I said, hey, have you ever seen this coupon before? Do you have any idea what it applies to? And he's like, no, I have no idea. To be safe, why don't you grab something that's in the picture? So that's what I did. I was trying to figure out how to get the most bang for my buck. It was $5 in coupons. So I'm like, okay, $5 in products. How do I make the best deal possible? Well, I remembered that the Crest is on sale this week. They are $2.99 each. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 register reward. So 2 of these at $2.99 each is $5.98. I used that $5 Catalina, which came off without any issues. So I paid 98 cents and I got $2 in register rewards back, making it free and $1.02 moneymaker. Now, if you have used that coupon on something else that perhaps wasn't in the picture and it worked, let us know down below what you grabbed, because I would love to know what that coupon works on, or if there are things that it's not working on that you've tried. Let us know in the comments below. All right, so now I'm going to tell you about the spend 20, get 5 deal that I did. Again, I did this as an online order, planning to pick it up in the store or curbside deal. The first thing that I put in my basket was this, and let's see if I can pronounce this correctly, the Himalaya ashwagandha supplement. So I have no idea if I said that right. Let me know if you know how to say it. It is $12.99. There is a $5 off digital coupon that you can clip to your card. There is also a $5 rebate on Ibotta. And when you shop online, you can use promo codes. So I used the promo code NEWYOU, which took 10% off of this item. So again, $12.99 minus the $5 coupon, minus the promo code NEWYOU, which takes off 10%. So it actually took off $1.24 is what came off. I paid $6.75, but I got $5 back on Ibotta, making this just $1.75. Now, of course, when I put this together with the other items, the whole scenario ends up being a moneymaker. To answer a question that I've heard a number of times, do you get a receipt when you do curbside pickup? Yes, you absolutely should. If you don't, one printed out, they just didn't bring it to you. Because when they do the curbside checkout process, they actually check out pretty much like you were in the store, and the coupon prints out, the receipt prints out, and my store staples it to the bag and they bring it to my car. Now, if they bring it to you and you do not see a receipt, just ask them to print the receipt for you. That way you can scan it into your rebate app. Okay, so the Himalaya supplements was the first thing in my deal. Then I grabbed these U by Kotex Click tampons. They are priced at $3.89. There is a $1 off digital coupon in the Walgreens app. So I paid $2.89, but Ibotta gave me back $2 for buying this product, making the total just 89 cents. Now, a great deal was on this Revlon eyeshadow. This eyeshadow in particular was priced at $5.19 online, and I had a $5 off any Revlon cosmetic coupon, making this just 19 cents. And the last deal that I did, these were regular price Gillette shave gel, not the clearance ones. These were regular price. They are still buy one, get one half off, buy two, get $4 in Walgreens Cash back. So these were priced at $3.49. One rang up $3.49, one rang up $1.74. I had a $1 digital coupon for this that was on my card that came off with this transaction. So I paid $4.23. I got $4 in Walgreens Cash, making this 43 cents for both of them, or just 21 cents each. Now, so when I put all of these items here into my cart, I paid a total of $14.06 before tax. Okay, $14.06, and that does not include the tax that I paid. I got back the $4 in Walgreens Cash for buying the Gillette. I got back $2 from Ibotta for buying the tampons. I got back $5 on Ibotta for buying the supplements. I got back $5 for spending $20 in Walgreens Cash. So that made my total completely free and $1.94 moneymaker. Now, that does not even include the cash back I got on Rakuten. Every time I do a Walgreens order, I go through Rakuten first. Right now, they are giving 3% cash back into your Rakuten account. It's just like normal, except you go to Rakuten first. You say you're going to shop at Walgreens. You click on Walgreens. It reroutes you to the Walgreens website. You shop, you check out as normal, but you will end up getting that 3% back in your Rakuten account. If for some reason you do not have Rakuten yet, use my referral link that you can find in the video description below, and you will get $20 back when you place your first $20 purchase. So this could be a huge moneymaker for you. If y'all have any questions, I actually do have a tutorial on how to use the Rakuten website. You can find that on my YouTube channel. I can also link it in the video description below if you want a walkthrough on how to use their system. All right, so that was everything at Walgreens this week. I thought it was a pretty fantastic week over there. If y'all have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to check out the Walgreens clearance video that I posted yesterday, and stay tuned for my Walmart Wednesday video coming soon. Thanks, guys.